If you do video production or you're into filming, I'm going to show you how to use MilaNote, which is a note-taking app or an organization app, and implement all of your production strategies as well as inspiration boards and a nice, neat workflow for all of your film and video needs. So, follow me. So film and video, you could probably use this if you're a photographer as well. You could probably organize your media the same way. So I've got video concept here, and if I go in here, you can see that there's a couple cards, but let's say we want to start from the beginning. We want to click down here on the board on the left hand side and create a new board, video production. Now, if you double click on it, you end up opening your board and you can choose a template. Now you can see there's a bunch here, but if you click on more templates, we can go and type in a search query and you can get a couple more templates. So we've got a video creative brief, and if you click on it, you'll see an example of it. Let's just zoom out, you can see the whole thing. You can also say video storyboard, and it depends on how you think and how you see things, how you visualize things. Different boards will, work differently for different people. So let's just say keep example content and let's use this template. Now, once this is open, you'll see that you can customize this completely, but this is just a template. So you can see over here, we've got a scene. So let's just change this. All right, let's change it to a video idea. So this will be a video concept, and you can add your video concept as you please. And then as you go along, you can see like there's an image, and then you have like over here it says scene 1, and there's 2 cards in here. The one is an image and the one is a description of what's going to happen in your video. Now, of course, you can play along with this and see what works specifically for you. However, if you decide that this is not really for you, you can completely create something on your own without having all of this layout for you. Let's Google film camera angles. There is an article here. I'm just going to dive into a random article just for example's sake. I have a MilaNote web clipper. If you click down on this, it'll allow you to clip this page or sections of the page if you've gone into a particular section. All you need to do is use this drop down menu, click on the card or board that you'd like to add it to and say save to, and it'll save it directly there. Now, if this guide was helpful, you can go ahead and drop us a like, share it with a friend, and we'll see you next time. Peace out.